Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixAdventures. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and help you with your max lens mod on your GoPro Hero 9 and what to do when it gets stuck when you're trying to install it. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So I absolutely love the max lens mod for the GoPro Hero 9. However, the first time I tried to install it, it got stuck and wouldn't rotate completely on. How would I go ahead and fix this so it actually sits at a 90 degrees angle and is flush with the rest of the camera? So let's go ahead and install it. I'll show you how to do that. And if you don't know how to install it, take the old lens and just rotate it to the left. And this should just unscrew to the left and come off. So I can lift it up now. Now it takes a little bit of strength sometimes just to break the initial grass. So it's coming off now. I'm going to put this to the side. Take my max lens mod. Now there's two grooves on either side, left and right, that align with the camera here. So let's just angle those up and put those on. Now rotate the max lens mod to the right. Once everything is flush, and it should get stuck right about here. And this is how yours is probably looking right now. And it seems like you can't rotate it any further, and you can put a lot of strength into it and it still won't do anything. However, this is actually how it's supposed to be for most GoPros, where it's a little bit more difficult to get on. I suggest getting like just a towel like this, and something you use to wash dishes or dry them off, and just put it over the front of the lens so you don't accidentally scratch it or anything when you're trying to get on. So make sure there's no gaps in here and it's completely flush on the GoPro, and you're just going to grip it and put some strength into it and rotate it to the right. And this should go ahead and just sit flush with the GoPro. So I just rotated it now and it is flush. So if this video did indeed quickly, easily help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos related to the GoPro Hero 9 coming up next on YourSixAdventures.